Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not forward from KingMixUp, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. My dad yourself for telling the walk one for not to go on, you see me? So it looked like dancehall artist Intence still upset Kartel, make him skip on him, man, because no, he's bringing up Kartel and the Gaza gang in him diss track towards Skillibeng. You know, Skillibeng mentioned Intence name and not him diss track towards Masicka, his say, and he hasn't answered yet. What a thingy! Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting in the comment section if Masicka afraid to clash. Because it surely seems so, because he was brave enough to mention the prince's name per se on his album, but he's not getting busy. Nevertheless, this is what Intence had to say about the whole situation.
Knock it, make it take a 5. A crooks to get into boloda, that a crime. Look like a chip up and it full of bag of megabytes. Tell gun mouth, we don't know him never line. Nobody no alive. No fling shot out a monk, and then shot you alive. They say I blind, I lead blind, and no sense you're done. Link me from prison, I tell me about Gaza, yang. I bet you never know that. A bad man body in the road and I want a friend.
So, according to dancehall fans, Skilly orchestrated all of this troll bait. And no, Masicka must answer and mention Alkaline, which I don't think he is, because you know, so Tommy Lee kind of did the same. But whatever, this is a chance for us to get a real Masicka versus Alkaline war. Put in the comment section if that's ever going to happen. But back to Intence and Vybz Kartel situation. The reason why these two, I don't want to say two, but the reason why Intence and I'm feelings because Kartel take away him girl is massive.
Me say the reason why Vybz Kartel and Young Boss are because Vybz Kartel stay at jail and take away Young Boss girl. See? So, oh, that warrant for you feel like you have to tell Foota to go suck his mother. And you're afraid to tell Kartel to go suck his mother. And you're afraid to tell the girl who got there with Kartel to suck her mother. First thing people now wonder, I wish girl Kartel take away. Remember say, when Young Snail, dancehall spread, get him look a song, and him a go on, him go there with the rebel. Zine? Kartel like rebel. And Kartel look rebel. And get rebel. I know rebel are going with our thing. And I send Kartel in picture and in video them. Zine? And Young Sprat search our phone and see the.
So that is the reason why Intence have a lot of reason to mention Kartel, Gaza name and all of this stuff in the gun mouth. You see me say, you know, say people say him careers in the graveyard. So Skillibeng saying them must say, you know, rising the dopey and all of them things. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, myself I go in the studio and get the thing popping. You see me say, I kind of look away, know that everybody is jumping in this beef and him started. You see me say, but me just giving them a quick update what I want for that to go and put in the comment section if Skillibeng is going to respond. I don't think he's going to respond. You see me say, I think he's waiting on Masicka. But it is what it is, you see me, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I didn't want to get into that aspect, you know, but Masicka, I'll save that for another review. So I'm going to do the right thing and subscribe to the King. Turn on the notification and check out these next suggested videos in the on the screen. In the meantime, bless.